Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers. Engineer 1 at Textron India Private Limited, Bangalore. Textron International Corporation is an American industrial conglomerate and it is one of the world's best known multi-industry companies with its business organized within 5 segments: Bell, Textron Aviation, Textron Systems, Industrial and Finance. Textron India Private Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Textron International Corporation. Textron India Private Limited (TIPL) is engaged in undertaking engineering design and support services for Textron business units. In 2018, Textron employs over 37,000 people worldwide. The company ranked 208th on the 2008 Fortune 500 of the largest United States corporations by revenue. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Now, let us see who can apply for this post. Mechanical engineers and automobile engineers can apply for this post. For getting full details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From our channel Engineering Jobs for You, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now let us see the details about this opportunity. Textron is the company name, Engineer 1 is the post name, requisition ID is 293750. Position summary. Incumbent develops solutions to routine technical problems of limited scope, limited use and or application of technical principles, theories and concepts are required to complete the task. Work is closely supervised, follows specific detailed instructions and contributes to the completion of routine technical tasks. Contacts are primarily within the immediate supervisor, project leader and other professionals and in the section or group. Principal responsibilities: prepares 2D and 3D technical illustrations and parts lists utilizing engineering models, drawing, physical parts, previously prepared manuals, electronic parts listed and other informations. Interacts with engineering and services parts in determining the required service parts. Creates owner's manual and service guide, service part manual, technicians repair and service manuals and field skills. Conducts self-check publication prior to peer reviews. Produces label artwork for company products and other graphics used by the company. Revises all previously described documents. Accomplishes all work using computer generated artwork and text. Assures that the tech pubs tracking sheets is kept accurate and up to date. Technical competencies: basic understanding of engineering fundamentals, good analytical skills to analyze and interpret data, logical and creative approach. Additional competencies: effective written and verbal communication, good team player, problem solving skills, curiously and willingness to learn, ability to work in a matrix organization. Qualification: Bachelor of Engineering degree, mechanical or automobile or related branches. Job field: engineering. Primary location in India, Bangalore. Recruiting company is Textron India Private Limited. Schedule is full time. Job level is individual contributor. Shift is first shift. Job posting on 25th June 2021. Role is Engineer 1. Functional area is engineering design and support services. Employment type is full time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the details of this opportunity from our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Every day we will upload government jobs and private jobs for engineers. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Thank you.